no more last-minute breakfast thrown into your backpack as your kids rush out the door. Now that summer is here, you can slow things down a little bit and start your mornings off right. Suzy Bunker will share 2 protein-packed breakfast recipes. Suzy, we hear all about the importance of starting our day off right, and we're hearing so much about protein. So we want to make sure our little ones, when they get out the door here, we pack them with protein. So you've got a couple of recipes for us to get us going.
I do. Protein's so important because it helps stabilize our blood sugars and it fills us up. If we eat a full carb breakfast full of sugar, we're just going to crash and have no energy and be moody and all the things, right? So getting in that protein is so important. This is one of my go-tos. So we're going to do some overnight oats. I love meal prep when I can, so we're just going to grab out a jar. We throw in about 1.5 cups of milk. Oh, our milk's gonna, and then a cup of yogurt. You can do Greek yogurt in there. Yep, it's so good for all those good probiotics. And then we're going to add, do you want to pour in those oats? We're going to do 1.5 cups of oats.
So we're doing the layering here, right?
Yeah, and we're just going to stir it in. Yep, it might look too full, but don't worry. As we stir it, it's going to go all down in there.
Oh, look at that.
So we're just going to stir that, and I'll go down and kind of mix in there. And then we're going to add the chia seeds. So this is going to add a good, healthy omega-3 fat, and it's going to thicken it. It's going to thicken that milk that's in there.
I've never tried chia seeds.
So this is kind of a mix between chia pudding and overnight oats, and then a little dash of
packed
vanilla.
With a lot of the good stuff,
Yes. So you can sweeten it. On the recipe, I have maple syrup to sweeten it. And if you want to eat it just as is, then I'd add the sweetener. But if not, then you're going to add a protein powder to sweeten naturally. So let me show you what I do. So I don't add the sweetener. And you're just going to put a lid on this, throw it in the fridge and overnight, and it's good all week. So you can pull it out, do about 1/2 cup or so in a bowl, and then I take about 1/2 cup of protein powder. This is going to add the extra protein that's going to keep us fuller longer. You can add milk or kefir. This is a homemade kefir, so we're getting in those good probiotics, some more of those. And then we're just going to stir that, and so then we're not adding any sugar to this. It's just being sweetened naturally with that monk fruit.
Such a great, great option there to have, and making it even healthier.
And my husband even loves these. Some people don't like overnight oats, but with the chia in there, I don't know, the texture is really nice. So, and then from there, you're just going to add some granola on top, and then some fresh berries, and you're good to go.
Breakfast on the go. So I like that. You can plan this on a Sunday, pack everything for the week, like you said, and you're good to go.
Yeah, you can even put it in little jars, so they're like on the run if you have to.
Perfect. All right, what do you got here for us?
Okay, so we have a little savory option here, a little power bowl, right? So we've got a mixture here going of sweet potatoes and Brussels sprouts and red onion and red pepper. I'm just gonna add
all the good stuff.
Right? So we're gonna add a little bit of garlic, and then this organic shredded kale is already ready for me for Trader Joe's. We're gonna throw in all this. This is gonna add tons of fiber, which is awesome, and the kale will just cook right down in there with all the veggies.
So good.
So I'm launching a new gut microbiome program, like a healthy gut program, which is so fun. And fiber is one of the biggest things that we need for a healthy gut microbiome.
Absolutely.
So look at all the rainbow of colors that we're getting in this. So we're getting in all the fiber, but here's where our protein comes in. So I've cooked up some sausage. So we're gonna add that sausage in there for that yummy umami flavor and extra protein. And then our other source of protein, we're going plant powered. So we've got a little tri-blend of quinoa.
Oh my goodness.
So this can be the base. This, once again, can be pre-made. Your quinoa can be pre-made. So can this, and you can have bowls all week. So just put them in your little
breakfast, lunch, and dinner, pretty much.
Right?
I mean, it could be.
Yeah, we actually do eat it for dinner here and there. You know, so I just throw that in as leftovers, and it's ready to go. And then to add the extra protein, last little thing, you can just add on some eggs, some over easy eggs if you'd like. Okay, they're sticking to the pan because I've been sitting there for a minute.
We get the idea though. Once it comes off,
and then ta-da! And you can add a little bit of hot sauce too if you're a spicy girl.
This looks so scrumptious. All right, well, where can we get more from you? I mean, we're going to need all this. Summer's here, and we want to make sure our kids are fed well.
Meal prepped and ready to go. So my Instagram is Cook Healthy with Suzy, same as my website. On Instagram, there's underscores underneath. And I just came out with a new free guide that's on the link in my bio that is a pantry swap. So it's all these pantry swaps that you can make for a little bit healthier options in your sugar, salts, flours, Whole Foods
we still need that, you know, it takes the guessing out of it. You got it all for us.
It's all laid out for you.
All right, Suzy, thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome.